Local news for Friday the 1st of February. A former Masterton man has been appointed Executive General Manager, Retail Banking for ASB Bank. Craig Sims has been appointed to the bank's executive leadership, leaving his previous role in Melbourne, where he was tasked with improving the customer and banking experience at ANZ Australia. Repairs to the courtesy crossing in Masterton will see Queen Street from the northern side of Bannister. It's also close to Worksop Road. The closure takes place for 4 days, beginning on Monday. 2 Wairarapa College teenagers are hitting the road to honour their late grandmother who had Alzheimer's disease. 15-year-old Georgia and 13-year-old Millie Hickenbottom's nana passed away last July. And a relay will be held from Napier, finishing 3 days later at Lake Ferry, taking place in April. And in sport, just 2 senior Giants softball games tomorrow, with the major reserve grade away to PK and the Presidents at home to Dodgers.